I'm like driving right now. It's like raining here too. Yeah, it's like raining and windy. There was a bit of hail that fell in Fremont earlier. Possible thunderstorms today in Northern California. We're on the way to the Central Valley. It's raining. There's thunderstorms in the valley earlier. Hopefully we can catch some tonight. Welcome to the Central Valley. 7:17 p.m. Look at that cumulonimbus on the left. I bet that was from the earlier thunderstorm that hit Sacramento. Look at that nice storm structure and all. This is Tracy. Hey. Looks like it's at its dying stage though. Looks a bit ominous though. So this is at Lathrop. I wish we were here earlier though.